Thank you for joining us today for the Elementary Academic Derby. We're featuring Jacksonville Commons Elementary and Meadowview Elementary School. Our scorekeeper today is Pam Brewer. I'm Pam Thomas, and I will be your moderator. Let's meet our players for Metaview first.
Hi, my name is Julian Bowles, and I'm in Miss Baines' class.
Hello, my name is William Benson, and I'm from Miss Shepard's class.
Hello, my name is Tucker Wheaton, and I'm from Miss Shepard's class.
Hello, my name is Emily Rice, and I am from Miss Gentry's class.
Stephanie Humphrey and Christy Spain are the coaches for Meadowview. Let's meet our players from Jacksonville.
Hi, my name is Asia Bash, and I'm from Miss Lee's homeroom class.
Hi, my name is Skylar King from Miss Schultz' homeroom class.
Hello, my name is Jack Mifflin from Miss Schultz' homeroom class.
Hello, my name is Flora Castle from Miss Lee's homeroom class.
Sally Schultz is the coach for Jacksonville. We're ready to begin. 7 questions going to Jacksonville first. Literature is the category. Which character created by Charles Dickens in his novel Oliver teaches the orphans how to pick pockets? Metaview? Emily?
Emily Gibbs.
No, nice try. Fagin is the character. Let's try sports. In the sport of gymnastics, what number is used to indicate a perfect score? Skylar?
10.
It is 10. Thanks. English. Correct the usage error in the following sentence by changing a suffix. She is the shortest of the 2 basketball players. She is the shortest of the 2 basketball players. Metaview? We should change shortest to shorter. Mathematics. What type of graph is best used to represent data when you want to show how the parts compare to the whole? Jack?
A pie chart?
Pie chart or circle graph would be acceptable. History. Name the woman who was called the Angel of the Battlefield during the Civil War and who later founded the American Red Cross. Meadowview? Emily?
Dolly Madison.
Nope, good try. You named someone. Clara Barton. Science. What name is given to the wax framework that bees use to store their honey? Jack?
Honeycomb?
The honeycomb. And some people eat that honeycomb. Geography. If a person were to travel due south of the state of Arkansas, which state would he or she arrive in first? Metaview? Will?
Mississippi.
Very close. Louisiana. Good try, Will. Metaview, 7 for you. Music is the first category. Which musical term is used to describe the symbol that raises a written note by a semitone? Jacksonville? Sharp. Sharp is the music term. History. If news reports are accurate, this former First Lady and Secretary of State is running for nomination for her party for presidential candidate of 2016. Who is she? Emily?
Hillary Clinton.
Hillary Clinton is correct. Mathematics. You may need your pencils to organize these. Place the following measurements in ascending order. Ascending order. 30 meters, 3 kilometers, 30,000 centimeters, and 300 millimeters. I'm going to repeat that. In ascending order, rank these. 30 meters, 3 kilometers, 30,000 centimeters, and 300 millimeters. little bit late, Emily, sorry. Let's go up to Jacksonville.
Reset. No, I'm so sorry.
Aisha, were you trying to ring in? Were you trying to ring in? Go ahead and answer.
I was going to say 30,000 centimeters, 300 millimeters. Oh, wait. Never mind.
Okay, that's fine. I'm glad you tried. 300 millimeters would be first. 30 meters, 30,000 centimeters, and then 3 kilometers. Let's try science. Identify the dark-colored decayed organic matter that supplies nutrients to plants and is found mainly in topsoil. The correct answer begins with the letter H. Jacksonville. And the correct answer is hummus or humus. It doesn't have the extra M in it like hummus that we buy in the store to eat. Literature. These two German brothers shared their love of folklore and fairy tales in a collection of stories that includes their name. Some of their stories include Cinderella, Clever Hans, and Rumpelstiltskin. Who were they? Jacksonville. Flora?
The Brothers Grimm.
The Brothers Grimm. Jacob and Wilhelm. Geography. Home to both Mount Etna and the cities of Milan, Florence, and Rome. This country's shape resembles a boot. Name this European nation. Emily?
Italy.
It is Italy. And the final category is English. In this sentence, the leader of the band is my father. What word functions as the object of the preposition? I'm going to repeat the sentence. The leader of the band is my father. What word functions as the object of the preposition? Emily?
Leader.
Not leader, but I'm glad you answered. Let's move to Jacksonville. Flora?
Father.
Not father. That's a logical choice as well. Band. Of is the preposition, and band follows that, of the band. That's the end of our first round. We'll be right back, so join us then.
There's a shelter pet who wants to meet you. Meet one today. Visit theshelterpetproject.org. Adopt.
We're almost ready to begin round 2. We have a score of Metaview 4, Jacksonville 8. We also have new participants we want you to meet, and we'll start the introductions with Metaview.
Hi, my name is Ricky Arnold, and I am from Miss Century's 5th grade class.
Hi, I'm Megan Easley, and I am from Miss Humphrey's 5th grade class.
We also have a new participant for Jacksonville we'd like you to meet.
Hi, my name is Chase Loop from Miss Siciliano's homeroom class.
And welcome new players. We're ready to begin. Metaview, first question goes to you in mathematics. Visualize a square. What is the maximum number of lines of symmetry that can be drawn through it? It's Metaview's question, Jack. Sorry. Emily?
4.
4 is correct. Here's your bonus. How many distinct diagonals can be drawn into a regular pentagon? You have an answer, Ricky?
No, ma'am.
5. Jacksonville English. Whenever a person does research or completes an inquiry project, information from many sources is collected. What noun that begins with the letter C designates the credit given to the author for the use of his or her information in a paper? Jack?
Site.
I'll accept that. It's called citation, and cite would be what it would be. Here's your bonus. What 10-letter noun that begins with the letters PL refers to the use of another person's writing or ideas without giving him credit for his work in a citation or bibliography? Metaview? Megan?
Plagiarism.
Plagiarism. We might know it by the old term cheating. Metaview, geography. Among the original 13 colonies, the group that included New Jersey, Delaware, New York, and Pennsylvania were known by what name? Ricky?
New England.
That's incorrect, but that's a good try. Jacksonville? They were known as the Middle Colonies. Literature, Jacksonville. Many of the oldest surviving works of literature in the world are of this long poetry form that includes Gilgamesh, the Iliad, and the Odyssey. What is the word which begins with the letter E for this type of poem in which formal language is used to describe great adventures and historic deeds? Metaview? The term is epic. They're called epics. That was a long question for a little word. Metaview, science. With regard to conservation of Earth's natural resources, what is the meaning of the 3 R's? Emily?
Reduce, reuse, and recycle.
That is correct. Here's your bonus. In recent years, which renewable energy source captured by great pronged turbines has been expanded in the United States? Ricky?
Wind.
Wind power is correct. Mathematics, Jacksonville. If 2 lines in space are perpendicular, what is the measure of the angle where the 2 lines intersect? Flora?
A right angle?
A right angle. 90-degree angle. Bonus question for you guys. These types of lines can be drawn in the same plane, but will never intersect. By what name are they known? Jack?
Parallel lines.
Parallel lines, it is. Metaview, music. A classical string quartet is made up of a cello, viola, and 2 of these. Name this instrument that is played with a bow and that Pa on Little House on the Prairie was fond of. Megan?
Fiddle.
A fiddle or a violin. Here's your bonus. While Homes, H-O-M-E-S, is an acronym used to recall the names of the Great Lakes, what does the acronym Every Good Boy Does Fine relate to in music? Okay, Ricky?
The notes on the lines of music.
I'll accept that. That's right. They're the lines of the treble clef. That's good. Jacksonville, history. How many maximum members, as fixed by law, make up the House of Representatives? Jack?
17.
No, a little bit more than that. Metaview? Jillian?
180.
No, a little bit more than that too. 435. That's a lot. And they all try to get along. Metaview, English. Which is the following, excuse me, which is the following spellings of the words ITS is not a word in the English language? Which of the following spellings of the word ITS is not a word in the English language? I'm going to spell them for you now. IT apostrophe S, ITS apostrophe, or ITS. Emily?
ITS?
No, that's incorrect. Let's go to Jacksonville. Jack?
ITS apostrophe.
ITS apostrophe. I'm glad y'all are guessing. Jacksonville history. Name the agreement passed in 1787 that created a two-house or bicameral legislature in the United States government. Metaview? It is the Great Compromise, or you could have said the Connecticut Compromise. Let's try science. When one of the Earth's plates slides past another, what landform results? It's Metaview's question right now. Emily?
A mountain?
A mountain. Here's your bonus. With regard to electricity, current flow refers to the flow. What unit is used to measure the electrical resistance of a material? Have an answer?
No, ma'am.
That's okay. Ohm, O-H-M, an ohm. Mathematics, Jacksonville. Find the greatest common factor of 12, 16, and 24. The greatest common factor of 12, 16, and 24. Aisha?
2.
Not 2. Metaview, Ricky?
4.
4. Wow, we've used a lot of questions in that round. We'll be right back to begin our third round in just a bit.
Every day across America, excess food is gathered by a network of good people at local food banks, giving hope to millions of children who struggle with hunger. They've earned their wings, and you can too. Together, we can solve child hunger. Support Feeding America and your local food bank at feedingamerica.org.
Well, we're almost ready to begin round 3. We have Jacksonville with 16 points, Meadowview with 28. Everyone knows that we have a bonus that passes with the question in this round, so it's a time that you can really pick up a lot of points. We have a new participant for Jacksonville, and we know you're anxious to meet her, so let's have her introduce herself.
I'm Jacayla Hubbard from Miss Lee's 5th grade class.
And welcome, Jacayla. Ready to begin? Hands on your buzzers, ready? Literature. Identify the figure of speech used in the sentence. Her soft voice was music to my ears. Jack?
A metaphor.
That is it. Here's your bonus. When a poet repeats a phrase or verse at the end of a poem, what stylistic element is he or she using? The correct response begins with the letter R. Jack?
Repetition.
That is not the word we're looking for. We're looking for the correct word, which is refrain, but it is a type of repetition. Geography. Name both the state and famous geyser you might get to observe if you visit Yellowstone Park. Will?
Yes, the Yellowstone Geyser.
That's incorrect, but that's a good try. Let's move up to Jacksonville. Wyoming is the state, and Old Faithful is the geyser. History. Following the Civil War, this agency was created by Congress to provide for the needs of the emancipated slaves. What was the name of this bureau? It was the Freedmen's Bureau. Trivia. Any person or group who commits money or purchases stock in a company, expecting a profit in return, is known by which 8-letter noun that begins with an I? Jack?
Investing.
Investor is correct. I know you said investing, but investor is the right. Here's your bonus. Mike and Carrie are planning their finances for the future, including weekly, monthly, and yearly expenses and income. What is the common term for this type of financial plan? Have an answer, Jack? I know you've probably heard your parents say this. We need to stay within our budget. You're planning your budget. Science. Anna, Bill, Claudette, Danny, and Erica are the first 5 names on this list created annually by the National Weather Service for the Atlantic Ocean. What kind of weather event do these names represent?
Hurricanes.
Jack, that's fine. Hurricanes it is. Bonus question. While some oceans use the word hurricane to describe extreme weather events of low pressure, 2 other terms are used in other parts of the world. Identify either one of these other terms. Jack?
Typhoon.
Typhoon or a cyclone. Mathematics, teams. If operation A star B multiplies A by 3 and then subtracts B, what is the value of 5 star 9? I'll repeat it. If A star B multiplies A by 3 and then subtracts B, what is the value of 5 star 9? Megan?
5 times an unknown number times 9.
That's a very good try. That's incorrect. Good try. Jacksonville? Correct answer is 6. History. What is the name for the series of laws enacted by the British in 1774 in response to the Boston Tea Party? These laws included the Quartering Act, which allowed royal troops to stay in the houses or empty buildings if barracks were not available. Intolerable acts. Science. Give the 5-letter noun that designates an area surrounding an object where it can apply a force such as gravity or magnetism or another object without actually touching it. And we are referring to the field that surrounds it, the area that surrounds it. Math question next. If you subtract 1/4 from 2 3/5, what is the result? If you subtract 1/4 from 2 3/5, what is the result? The correct answer is 2 1/5. Literature. Complete the title of the fable by Aesop about an ant who worked to store up food for the winter and a creature who played and had nothing to eat when the winter arrived. Fill in the blank. The ant and the blank. Megan?
Grasshopper.
It is the grasshopper. For your bonus, in a play or stage production, what 4-letter noun designates the characters who play the parts? Ricky?
Role.
No, it's a nice try. It's the cast. The cast are the characters or roles. Geography. While a fault refers to a crack in a rock mass along which there have been movement, what term that begins with a P is used to refer to the portion of the Earth's crust and mantle that is in motion? Megan?
The plates.
The plate. Good. Here's your bonus. The major oceans border, 3 major oceans border Canada. Name these 3 bodies of water. Ricky?
Atlantic, Pacific, and Arctic.
That is right. Sports. With which Olympic sport would one associate the following athletes? Jeannie Finch, Kat Osterman, and Dot Richardson. Women's softball. Let's try science next. What type of energy is being generated when a balloon, after being rubbed across a sweater or hair, then sticks? Jack?
Static.
Go ahead again.
Static electricity.
That is correct. Here's your bonus. This unit of measurement for electrical potential is a base unit in the International System of Units. Identify this measurement whose symbol is V. Jack?
Volts.
Volt is right. And that is the end of our third round, and we'll be back with our final score and closing announcements in just a second.
Hey everybody! Heart disease affects 1 in every 3 women in America, but you can fight back. There's no time to lose. Mothers, sisters, daughters, families, and friends, it's time to shout louder, stand stronger, and demand change. Let's go!
To the Batmobile! Dang it.
To the invisible jet!
Dang it.
Together, we can put an end to heart disease. It's time to go red for women. I could use your help. Yeah! Learn more from the American Heart Association at www.goredforwomen.org.
Wow, we had a very close match today. It was really good. We had Jacksonville with 32 points and Metaview with 36. I like to end with a big round of applause for yourselves. You did all the hard work. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you'll stay tuned. We'll have our second match, and we will feature Blue Creek and Silverdale Elementary. So hopefully we'll see you in a minute.
I teach for 2 reasons. One, I feel like I am called to teach. I feel like the Lord has blessed me with the ability and opportunity to have my students learn in a way that they love coming to school and they love working together, and they love coming to school. The second reason that I teach is because I feel like there's a need. When I was in school growing up, I did not have the support that I needed at home or even in the classroom, and I wanted to be the person that could overcome that and be the person for my students that they need to help out in their circumstances. So that's why I teach.
I need to see you.
You need to see him?
Look,
I'm in trouble.
Congratulations. Principal of the Year. Integrity, compassion, and having a big heart. And that really describes Vicki Brown, the type of leader that she is, and we're real proud that she is going to represent us well here in Onslow County as the 2016 Principal of the Year.
We're just proud to be here today to give you this little token, but congratulations on being Principal of the Year.
I appreciate it. I love my job. I love working with Onslow County schools and the kids. They make it all worthwhile.
She does everything in her power to make this a good place to work and a good place to learn.
We're very happy to have Vicki selected as our Principal of the Year, and I look forward to her representing us in the region. And she went through a very thorough process in terms of being nominated for Principal of the Year, and we're expecting great things from her, and she was very excited today, and we're excited as Onslow County Schools to have her as Principal of the Year.
back with our second match of the day, and we are featuring Blue Creek Elementary School and Silverdale Elementary. And right away, we want you to meet our players, so we'll begin our introductions with Blue Creek.
Hi, my name is Peyton Hughes from Mr. Dela Cruz's 5th grade class.
Hi, my name is Mia Mercer from Miss Mice's homeroom class.
Hi, my name is Dorothy Lahan from Miss Mice's homeroom class.
Hi, my name is Jonathan Monroe from Mr. Dela Cruz's homeroom class.
And Greg Heath is the coach for Blue Creek. Let's meet our players for Silverdale.
My name is Christian Smith from Miss Gerganis' class.
My name is Serenity, who's from Miss Gerganis' class.
My name is Shelby Driscoll from Miss Colley's class.
My name is Michaela Gagnon from Miss Gregoire's homeroom class.
And Rhonda Gregoire is the coach for Silverdale. We've already reviewed our rules, and these students have played before, so they know the rules on this. Silverdale, 7 questions to you. English is the category first. Correctly place the necessary apostrophe in this sentence. 2 large cakes were delivered to the ballrooms to celebrate the Parkers' anniversary. Christian?
It's after park. It's between park and the S.
That is correct. History. Identify any 2 of the 3 former presidents who died on the 4th of July. 2 of the 3. Blue Creek? Jonathan?
Was it Abraham Lincoln and Martin Luther King Jr.?
No, that's incorrect, but I'm glad you guessed. John Adams, Thomas Jefferson, and James Monroe. You could have said 2 of those 3. Science. In science, which soft, easily shaped, heavy, bluish-gray metallic element is represented by the symbol Pb? This durable substance is found chiefly in Guluna and is harmful if inhaled or swallowed, even in small amounts. It's, yeah, Shelby, go ahead.
Mercury?
Not mercury, that's a great guess. Silverdale? Blue Creek, excuse me. Blue Creek? Correct answer is lead. Lead. Literature. Which short story by Watty Piper is a well-loved tale about a small engine that succeeds through perseverance? Michaela?
The Little Engine That Could.
That's it. We need to remember him once in a while when we're doing things. Pencils ready on this question. Next is math. Convert the decimal number, 0.36, into a fraction in simplest form. That's 0.36. Blue Creek? Correct answer is 9/25. Trivia. When keyboarding, which finger of which hand should strike the Q key? Christian?
Your pinky? Or
which hand?
Left hand.
Left hand, that is right. Geography. Identify either of the 2 types of waterways formed by rivers in geographic regions where the land drops sharply at a fall line. Blue Creek? You could have said rapids or waterfalls. Blue Creek, 7 questions to you. Science, first category. Name the device in a nuclear power plant where the energy is created and where a meltdown can occur. The correct response begins with the letter R. Silverdale? Michaela?
Radiation zone?
No, that's a nice try. It's the reactor. Actually, it's a nuclear reactor. Mathematics next. Which 2 numbers come next in the sequence? 1, 4, 9, 16. The next two numbers, 1, 4, 9, 16. Dory?
19 and 22.
No, good try. Let's move to Silverdale. Shelby?
25 and 36.
25 and 36. They're all squares of the numbers. English. In a textbook, what name is given to a list of terms with definitions found at the back of the book? Peyton?
A glossary.
It is the glossary. Trivia. What national holiday is observed in America on the last Monday in May to honor those who sacrificed their lives in active military service? Peyton?
Is it Veterans Day?
Not Veterans Day. It's a nice try. Let's go to Silverdale. It's Memorial Day. Veterans Day's in November. Geography. On a map, the box that indicates the symbols and their meanings is known by what name? Peyton?
Is it a key box?
The key is correct, or you could have said legend. History. Who said, "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind," in 1969 during his walk on the moon? Peyton?
Neil Armstrong?
It was Neil Armstrong. Literature. Who is the adult author of the comical Dear Dumb Diary stories that features the first person point of view of Jamie Kelly? Silverdale? Jim Benton. I've never heard of those books, but I bet y'all have. That's the end of our first round. We'll be right back in just a second.
Oh, look, a redhead. Staring contest. You still got it. I know.
Come alive with the forest.
The dad was cute.
They were looking right at us.
Visit discovertheforest.org to find a forest near you.
We're almost ready to begin round two. 2 points separates our score right now. Silverdale has 8 points, Blue Creek has 6. In this round we have a bonus, so you can pick up a few more points if you get the question correctly the first time that it's asked. We have 2 new complete sets of participants. We want you to meet them right away, and Blue Creek will start the introductions.
Hi, my name is Liam Jones from Mr. Dela Cruz's 5th grade class. Hi, I'm Morgan Wittenborn from Mr. Dela Cruz's 5th grade class.
I'm Liam McLean from Miss Mize's 5th grade class.
I am Jonathan Rentis from Mr. Dela Cruz's homeroom class.
We also have a whole new team of participants for Silverdale, and we want them to introduce themselves.
Julie Messer, Miss Gregor's class.
My name is Hannah Warner from Miss Colley's class.
Carly Aleck from Miss Gregor's homeroom. Alani Hargett from Miss Colley's homeroom.
And welcome new players. We're ready to begin. Silverdale. No, Blue Creek gets the first question. Isn't that right? My fault. Trivia. Complete the title of the Puccini opera with the name of an insect. Madam Blank. Liam?
Madam Ladybug.
Nope, good try. Silverdale? Julie?
Butterfly.
Butterfly. Silverdale English. In grammar, this group of words is often related in thought, but it cannot stand alone as a sentence and is grammatically incorrect. Name this type of phrase found in sentence construction. Hannah?
A verb.
Not a verb. Blue Creek? Liam?
A noun?
No, we're looking for fragment, a sentence fragment. It couldn't stand by itself as a sentence. Literature, Blue Creek. This Norse god was accompanied by two ravens, Hugin and Munin. He sacrificed his eye to gain wisdom. Liam?
Odin.
Odin is right. Here's your bonus. Name Odin's hall, where slain warriors feasted and awaited Ragnarok.
I'm gonna go with that Valhalla. Yeah.
Go ahead, Morgan.
Valhalla.
That is correct. Silverdale. Some organisms on Earth serve the environment by feeding on the remains of dead animals. By what name are these creatures known? Carly?
Roadkill.
No, that's a great answer. I love that. Blue Creek? Liam?
Scavengers.
Scavenger. Same thing though, Carly. Blue Creek English. In the sentence, the rapid movement of the chime in the wind made it difficult to grab. What part of speech is the word rapid? I'm going to repeat it. The rapid movement of the chime in the wind made it difficult to grab. What part of speech is the word rapid? Liam?
Really, really fast.
No, that's incorrect. Let's go to Silverdale. Hannah?
Verb.
No, it's an adjective. You almost said adjective. I could see your lips moving. Adjective. Mathematics, Silverdale. You probably need your, I don't know if you need your pencils on this or not, but you can make a decision. Which polygon does not belong? A rhombus, kite, pentagon, trapezoid, or square? Hannah?
Rhombus.
No, that's not correct, but I'm glad you used one of those choices. Blue Creek? Liam?
Trapezoid.
No, it's a pentagon. It's not a quadrilateral. The others are. Blue Creek Geography. What name is given to a grassland biome that is located closer to the equator than prairies? Liam?
A savanna.
That is it. Found, for your bonus, found in southeastern Europe, Western Asia, or Siberia. These flat grasslands are characterized by few trees. Identify the geographic term that designates such areas. It's their bonus right now, Hannah.
Plains, yeah. I'm gonna go with plains.
Morgan?
Plains.
No, it's a good try. It's a step. S-T-E-E-P-P-E. Silverdale history. Which 20th century African American athlete provided contrary evidence to Adolf Hitler's theories of race supremacy when he won 4 gold medals in the 1936 Olympics? Hannah?
Babe Ruth.
No, good try. Liam?
Usain Bolt.
No, it is Jesse Owens. Jesse Owens. Literature, Blue Creek. What special type of dictionary provides not only the definition but also the history of a word? The correct answer begins with the letter U. Silverdale? Carly?
A universal dictionary?
Nope, nice try. That's a U word. It's unabridged is the term, unabridged. Silverdale, math question next. Find the value of 123 times 10 to the 4th power and read your answer using correct place value. Find the value of 123 times 10 to the 4th power and read your answer using correct place value. Blue Creek? Liam?
1,230,000.
That is correct. Very good. Blue Creek history. As of June 2015, who is serving as the governor of North Carolina? Jonathan?
Pat McCrory.
It is Pat McCrory. For your bonus, the oldest state university in the United States is located in which North Carolina city? Liam?
Raleigh?
Not Raleigh. It is Chapel Hill. And Chapel Hill, the Tar Heels, are the university is the oldest. Silverdale, science. The Atkins diet severely limits this type of nutrient that includes bread, potatoes, corn, and pasta. As to what type of micromolecule are these sugars and starches classified? Julie?
Wheat.
Not wheat. Let's go to Blue Creek. Liam?
Acids?
No, carbohydrates. Carbohydrates. Blue Creek literature. Well, we will get to that question next, so everybody knows that the first category for next round is literature. We'll be back in just a second.
Jimmy can't sing, and Tommy can't dance, so we're gonna put some ants in their pants. Aww.
Kids will spend 22 minutes watching us, the super duper party troopers, sing about ants in their pants.
Isn't that funny? Ants in their pants, they got ants in their pants, they've got ants in their pants, they got...
Brushing for 2 minutes now can save your child from severe tooth pain later. 2 minutes, twice a day. They have the time.
We're really having an enjoyable time today, and we're glad that you're with us. Again, for this match, we have 10 points for Silverdale and 20 for Blue Creek. In this round, the bonus passes with a question, and you can really get a lot of points. We have one new participant. We said he had a cute smile. We want you to meet him too and see that cute smile.
I'm Ronnie Bowman from Miss Miza's homeroom class.
And thank you, Ronnie, for letting us pick on you a little bit there. Remember, these are true toss-up questions. Either team can ring in. And remember the old interrupt penalty, so you want to give me a chance to read the question all the way through. Literature is the first category. In this book, the Wallace children take a magical adventure to the planet of Ural. Identify this novel by Madeline DeLingle that features Meg and Charles. It's A Wrinkle in Time. English, of the words however, therefore, because, and altogether, which pair would be used to show a contrast of ideas? Christian?
However.
And another? Let's go down to Blue Creek. Correct answer, however and although. However and although. Geography, identify the 444-mile scenic roadway that runs from Mississippi to Tennessee, which includes a Native American tribe in its name. Carly?
The Catawba.
Nope, good try. Blue Creek? Liam?
A Coheek.
No, that's a good try as well. It's the Natchez Trace. It's a parkway. History. With which individual right would you associate the 19th Amendment to the United States Constitution? It gave the right to vote to women. Mathematics. A point in the XY plane or grid is located at -3 and and 5. Those are the 2 points, -3 and 5. In order, which direction and how many units would you move your pencil to the to graph this point? I'll repeat it. The points are -3 and 5. In order, which direction and how many units would you move your pencil to graph this point? Liam?
You would move 5 points upward and 3 points to the left.
That's incorrect. Let's go up to, oh, I'll accept that. I'll accept that. I'll accept that from the origin. It's left 3 and up 5. Here's your bonus. A segment is graphed in the XY plane and has endpoints at 5, 4, 5 and 4 or one set of points, and the other set is 3 and -2. In which 2 quadrants is this segment located? Let me give you the points again. 5 and 4, 3 and -2. In which 2 quadrants is the segment located?
It's in D.
Morgan, you have an answer?
The bottom right and the top left.
We're looking for the correct location. I'm going to go back. I'll do this before we have a break and make sure. 1 and 4 are the quadrants. You know, each of those boxes are numbered. Let's go to sports. In recent years, both Sonic Drive-In and Nike shoes have associated themselves with KD of the Oklahoma City Thunder. Who is the professional athlete behind the initials KD? Shelby? Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, Liam?
Kevin Durant.
That is correct. Here's your bonus. Wow, Lee has just bowled a perfect game in his Thursday night league play. What was his score?
I don't
Perfect
know
game
much.
is strike.
Morgan?
A strike?
Well, perfect game would be all strikes. 300 is the score, though. Good try. Glad y'all are talking to each other, too. History. This term that is sometimes confused with fatalities when discussing military action actually designates the soldiers killed or wounded in battle. What is this noun that begins with the letter C? Liam?
Casualty?
That is it. For your bonus, if a person wanted to visit the site of the Battle of the Alamo, to which city and state would he travel?
Battle of the Alamo. Let's go with the Civil War.
How about you?
I've heard about it a little bit.
Yeah.
Do you know anything?
I'm really not sure.
I've read the book.
Morgan, are they helping you? You got to answer.
No, ma'am.
Okay, San Diego is the city and Texas is the state. Science. Which heavenly patterns have been mapped since the ancient Sumerians? They include the Andromeda, Aquarius, Canis Minor, and Cygnus, and have served sailors in navigation. Liam?
The stars?
And what do we call those? Not just the stars.
Constellations?
Constellation, right. And how many constellations for your bonus are identified in modern astronomy?
I'm gonna guess around 75
Aries,
somewhere.
Leo.
There's a lot more than that.
I'm guessing over 100.
Okay, Morgan, I heard some numbers. You got one?
Over 100?
Well, under 100, closer to 75 that Liam said, 88. 88. Mathematics teams, complete the analogy with a mathematical term. 18 centimeters is to perimeter as 18 square centimeters is to blank. Shelby?
Area.
Right. For your bonus, a cube has an edge that measures 2 centimeters. In cubic centimeters, what is the volume of the cube? It's their question right now, their bonus. Carly?
8 square centimeters.
Or 8 cubic. That's correct, 8. And that is the end of our round. And we'll be back with with the next round in just a second.
There's a shelter pet who wants to meet you. Meet one today. Visit theshelterpetproject.org. Adopt.
We had a great match today. It was a lot of fun too. Even though we were interrupted, we hit the ground running as soon as those were over and continued. We had 44 points scored today, which was really good score. Silverdale with 16, Blue Creek with 28. Round of applause for yourselves. Job well done. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope you'll join us next time. We'll have Clyde Irwin in Swansboro and Jacksonville Commons in Silverdale. From all of us here at Onslow County Schools, thanks for watching. Have a good evening and see you next time.